How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Patriot DIY channel. In this video, we're going to be installing golf cart seat belts. All right, guys, now there's a good chance that some of you don't just use your golf cart on the golf course or for riding around your property. Nowadays, a lot of people are wanting to make their golf carts street legal. And one thing you're gonna have if you want to be street legal is a seat belt. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to install a 4-passenger seat belt kit to keep you and your family protected while driving on the roads. Now I'm going to have a link to the seatbelt kit that we're using. We're going to talk a little bit about that, and then I'll show you exactly how to install this. But first, guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. All right, guys, let's take a look at everything it comes with. First, we have the main mounting bracket. This is what all of our seat belts are going to attach to. And you can see it does provide these extensions so it can accommodate seat belts for both the front and back seat of your golf cart. Then, of course, we're going to have our seatbelt assembly. First, the buckle and the receiver. We have 4 of those in this kit. And then we have all of our mounting hardware. Now, if we take a look at my golf cart here, you can see that the rear seat already has mounting locations for seat belts. So I have a decision to make here. Am I going to use the rear-facing mounts on the bracket provided with the seatbelt kit, or use these that are already mounted here on the golf cart? Now, if we come around here to the front, there are no mounting locations here for the seat belts. So we are going to need the included bracket here for the front. And let's see what that looks like with that bracket in. So this is about where it's going to sit. And of course, these forward-facing mounts are in the perfect location for our seat belts. There are some holes here in the seat frame, but they don't quite match up to the slot in our brackets. So I believe I am going to have to drill a new hole here to mount the bracket. Now, if you don't have a spot like this on your golf cart to drill a hole for the mounting hardware, don't worry. It does come with additional hardware that's meant to attach to the square tubing of your golf cart frame. Now, you can see the rear-facing bracket here. This is where you would attach the seat belts for your rear seat. Now, on my golf cart, my rear seat sits quite a bit higher than my front seat. And while I do think that this would work, I'm probably just going to end up mounting the seat belts to the brackets already on the rear seat assembly. So before you mount the seatbelt bracket, you just want to position it in place, determine exactly where you want it to line up. Then once you're happy with the location, you want to go ahead and mark your hole. I'm going to start by drilling a smaller pilot hole. Then I'll go back and drill my 3/8 inch hole. Then we're ready to get our bracket in place and get it mounted. Then we'll put our seat belt in place and attach it with the provided hardware and our 17mm socket. We're going to make sure it's snug but not so tight that we can't still adjust it. And we'll continue that to mount all of our seat belt buckles and receivers. All right, guys, we have our seatbelt kit installed. Everything is working properly. It pulls out and retracts exactly like it's supposed to. It locks in place and releases well. And I think it actually looks pretty good as well. But for any time you don't plan to be riding the roads, what I like to do is just buckle the seat belt and tip it up out of the way so it's nice and hidden up under the seat. All right guys, our seatbelt kit is installed and we are ready to ride the roads. If you have any questions about this install, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the rest of our golf cart accessory series. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.